Hi, this is the print head of the Epson C82 stylus. The earlier procedure didn't work out, so I thought I should better remove the print head and clean it. You see, these are the three nozzles. Ink flows into the head, which is on this side, which is always on the paper. You can see on your right is a black ink flows through that nozzle, and on the left there are the color nozzles. So this is how I'll show you. This is how it looks like. These nozzles, you can see they distribute the inks connecting from the cartridges, and then on the other side they are supplied to the part I just showed you, and this is the gasket which prevents the leak. And I have cleaned it. I have cleaned it with steam. Let's see what happens next. Alrighty.